Okay, so before we start, let me set some context about why we chose this specific place for our shoot, right? So this place was looking very beautiful in the pictures when we were searching about where to shoot our class. And secondly, there was still some snow left at this place. And I really wanted to give that snowy effect in my shoot for this time. So this is the context I wanted to just set before the class. Let's start the class now, and I'll be there explaining everything, why we did and what decisions we made along the way, right? So let's see how we did everything.
So sunlight is coming this way, yes, and so we can put
We'll bring the model from this side, so that
from this side.
yeah, or we'll shoot from that side. The model would be coming from there, side light of the sun,
So that we are
it.
getting side light.
Yeah, plus a nice depth of the forest. So this
Nice. So we are doing this because we want
yeah,
depth as well as light which is at an angle.
Yeah.
So it gives a dramatic effect.
Yes.
Yes,
It will be like
but
this.
it is difficult for model
For
to walk.
model, it will be very difficult
walk
to walk
in this.
snow, because for us it is very difficult. But it's a job of model, so no problem.
What we are doing here is something called as recce. Recce is defined as gauging the location before the shoot, understanding all the permutations and combinations and all the natural effects that can help or hinder your shoot. In this recce, we are trying to understand how the snow is, how the light is, and how we are going to actually perform the shoot.
Snow is walkable.
It is walkable snow right now, because few days before it was almost 0 degree. So now it's like more icy rather than snow.
Okay.
So we can stand on this, no problem.
And once we were confident that we know what we are going to do, it's very important to communicate the same things to the talent or the models, so that all of us are on the same page. All of us know exactly what's going to work, how it's going to work, and what are the things that we all should be avoiding, right? So if your talent and your model knows what you are thinking, half the job is already done.
So what we'll do is, we have this light coming as in this direction, and there we have depth of the forest, right? So we'll place you somewhere in the middle so that the light is at an angle and we have the depth of the forest, and then we can click a nice frame.
Okay.
Now my talent and models are gearing up for the location, and since I've told them already what is the condition outside, they are mentally prepared, right? And although they are kind of falling, they are enjoying the process, and this just adds to the energy of the whole team, of the whole shoot. Right, right? So once the model is at the place or the location of the shoot, it's important to make her comfortable by all means you can, right? So that once she's there, she has the confidence to give you all the poses, all the expressions and everything that would make for a good photo. Once we were happy that the model was there, we just started to shoot and we made sure that we made the full use of the slant sunlight that we were getting, and the model was giving us all the different poses, and we were also roaming around trying to get different angles and not letting the model move so much because it was difficult for her to move.
So our shooting for the first concept is done. This is Nora. Nora, are you feeling cold?
I'm interested.
You're feeling cold?
Yes.
Yes. So Nora has been helping us with the vlogging, and we are almost done with the first look with Olga. So Olga, how was it?
It was amazing.
How was walking in the snow with heels?
Love it. I love it. If you like your work, if you like to be model, if you like to have shoots. So for you it's fine. I'm not even feeling cold.
You're not feeling cold?
Yeah, still I will not come home where it's warm.
And now let me show you what are the pictures that we got. Before you get all happy and all excited about how the shoot went, it's very important for you to make sure that your talent, your team, your models, everyone who's involved goes back to the safe place where they started from. So the closing of the shoot always happens only after your team, your model, your talent, everyone is back to the home. Right? So this part, although it looks like it's useless, but this is a very important thing that you have to make sure as a photographer or as a manager or a producer who is carrying out the whole shoot. And this was the end for the first look that we shot. I'll be adding more looks and more shoots that we did on the same place in this classes real soon. Till then, I hope this was useful. I'll see you in the next one.